You're not going to believe what I'm about to show you. There's a guy getting millions of views on Instagram and YouTube by destroying luxury cars. Rolls-Royce, Lambos, Teslas, obliterated by boulders, fire, chaos. And here's the twist. None of it is real. It's 100% AI generated. No explosions, no wreckage, no stunt crew. Just insanely realistic animations created in minutes with free tools. And the best part? You can do it too right now without spending a dime. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate those viral car crash videos using completely free AI tools. Cinematic crash scenes, viral level animations, and even sound effects, all from your laptop. And once you learn the system, you can apply this to any niche and build your own AI-powered viral content machine. Let's jump in. First, let's track down one of those viral masterpieces. I go straight to his Instagram page, scroll through, and there it is, one of his top-performing clips. Almost 200 million views. It starts off simple, just a Rolls-Royce sitting there. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, a boulder drops from the sky and crushes the car like it's nothing. Cinematic destruction, high drama, totally fake. That's the clip we're going to recreate. No fancy software needed. Just Google Instagram Video Downloader. Click the first link, paste the Instagram URL, hit download. Now comes the fun part. We need 3 essential moments from the clip to feed into ChatGPT. These are the building blocks of the animation. Here's how I break it down. Frame 1. I scrub through and pause at the moment the boulder is just about to drop. Take a screenshot. Frame 2. As the boulder crashes into the car. Another screenshot. Frame 3. Aftermath. Freeze it. Take a screenshot. Now, on Windows, just hit Windows plus Shift plus S to use the snipping tool. Click and drag to select the frame. Just paste those screenshots directly into ChatGPT. Once the images are in, I use this exact prompt. Please analyze these 3 images. Following the analysis, could you generate a highly detailed image prompt designed to precisely recreate the first image? Additionally, please provide a video prompt that would effectively animate the key elements of that same first image. ChatGPT then becomes your virtual director. It spits out a detailed prompt for the still image and a cinematic video animation prompt to bring it to life: motion blur, impact, dust clouds, camera shake, all included. This is the blueprint for your viral visual. Now we turn that vision into a stunning image. I head over to iDog, one of the most powerful free AI image generators out there. You can also try Pickleman, but for speed and visual punch, iDog is my go-to. I take the image prompt ChatGPT gave me, paste it into iDog, and here's the key setting. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's vertical video perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Click Generate. Wait just a few seconds. And boom, 4 high-quality images pop out. I scroll through and pick the one that hits hardest. The best ones usually have the boulder suspended in the air, the car underneath, seconds from impact, panic or motion in the background, and a scene that screams, something crazy is about to happen. That's the image you want. High drama, high retention. We've got our still frame. Now let's bring it to life. Head over to Google AI Studio. Log in with your Gmail account. Click on the Video Gen tab on the sidebar. Upload the image we created in iDog. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt, and paste it into the text box in Video Gen. Set your format. If your image is vertical, choose 9:16. Horizontal, choose 16:9. Take a deep breath, click Generate, and watch what happens. In under a minute, you'll have a fully animated 8-second video, complete with motion, energy, and cinematic realism. The boulder falls, dust explodes, the camera moves. It feels like a scene pulled from a Hollywood trailer. This is the moment it hits you. You're not watching a viral video anymore. You just made one. Now that you've created your first viral-worthy scene, the next question is, how do you make more of them fast? Easy. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Just say, generate 3 more distinct concepts, each including a meticulously crafted image prompt for initial generation and a corresponding actionable video prompt designed for animation, maintaining the style and level of detail we established in the previous examples. Boom! ChatGPT drops 3 ready-to-use ideas on your screen, each one formatted just like the first. Here's how I use them. Pick the concept that grabs you. Paste the image prompt into iDog. Choose the best image. Paste the matching video prompt into Google AI Studio. Set the format. Hit Generate. Done. New video, new story, new scroll-stopping moment. Want to switch it up? Try Pickleman for image generation instead of iDog. Follow the same steps. Drop the image into Google AI Studio, and you're good to go. This workflow? It's a content factory in your browser. Visuals are key, but great sound takes it to the next level. Want to generate custom sound effects for each scene? Here's how. Feed your video animation prompt back into ChatGPT and ask, generate a prompt for realistic sound effects that match this animation. Copy that, head to 11 Labs, and paste the prompt under the Sound Effects tab. You'll get 5 different sounds designed to fit your exact scene. Pick the best one, download it, and drop it into your favorite video editor. Line it up with the animation, and boom, your video now hits with full impact. Final step. You just learned how to make Hollywood-style viral videos using zero-budget tools. Found the viral clip, broke it down into keyframes, used ChatGPT for creative prompts, generated stunning images, animated them like a pro, added sound, and built a system to repeat it endlessly. You don't need gear, you don't need experience. All you need is this method and a little creativity. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with your first viral idea. Because once you unlock this system, you're not just creating videos anymore, you're engineering virality. Catch you in the next one.